Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll share with you another early to join airdrop project called Spheron Network. As you can see, they've raised 7 million in funding and are marked as a confirmed airdrop. If you look at their investors, you can see some well-known investors backing them. If you visit their X handle, you can see they have around 124k followers right now, and they share lots of information about their project here, so you can check it out. If you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, then you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. Now to join the airdrop, I'll provide the link in the description. Click that link and you land on this page. Here you need to sign up using your email. Select your email and click continue. Now select invite by users, and you can use my referral code which I'll provide in the description. Then click apply code and you land on the main dashboard. Now as you can see, it shows not whitelisted. You need 5 referrals to be whitelisted. So you can refer your friends or use your own different emails to get whitelisted. As you can see, this account is whitelisted. Here you can spin to get some points. Let's spin. And I'll get 500 points. Now click here in the earn section. You need to follow their X account. So click follow, then go to your profile, copy the username and paste it here. Now click join Discord. Then accept invite. Accept the terms and submit. Now claim your role. Copy your username, paste it here. Then click confirm. Then click connect and verify your wallet. Choose MetaMask and click connect. Then click sign in. Then confirm and it's done. As you can see, I'll get 100 points. Now you need to visit here to complete Galxe tasks. Simply sign up, and as you can see, there are some tasks you need to complete to earn an NFT. Finally, you can share your referral link with friends to boost your points. That's it for this video. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.